Hi, it's Dan from Nancy and Dan Travel. Nancy and I are spending time at Walt Disney World this Christmas holiday season, bringing you one new Christmas holiday themed video each and every day up until the big day. Remember, nobody does Christmas like Disney. Nobody. Today's a special treat, the Magic Kingdom Jungle Cruise holiday style, renamed the Jingle Cruise. Skipper Leanne was hilarious. Join Nancy and I now seated on the right or the starboard side of the boat. And don't forget to watch for the backside of water.
Yes, yes. Well, we're going to be heading into the Amazon rainforest. The first stop on our holiday extravaganza. Now, if you guys are looking for a more picturesque spot, to the left-hand side, you're going to see the glorious Inspiration Falls. Now, apparently, rumor has it is called Inspiration Falls because it does inspire even the Scroogiest of people to go Christmas caroling. So can I get a fa? Can I get a la? How about a la 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 la? No, you know what? It ain't no candlelight, but you tried. That's all that matters, yeah. So I gotta warn you, we're heading into the Congo River now. Here's the thing, there's a lot of insects around these parts. We got the seasonal humbug. Yeah, no, by its very distinct call. If we are lucky enough, and we listen closely, we might hear some, so shh. Wow, humbugs, can you imagine that? Yeah. Also, if you find yourself getting itchy at any point, those are the fleas navidad. Yeah, you gotta be careful. I had an infestation of them last year, and it was a nightmare. Before Christmas, too. Yeah. But up ahead, you guys are gonna see a bit of a holly jolly disappointment. Now, I asked the decoration team for a partridge in a pear tree, and they said, Skipper Leanne, so sorry, everyone. I would like to personally apologize to each and every one of you because I had no idea that my ex-boyfriend was coming to the Christmas party this year. Wow, it's so embarrassing. Yeah. You know why? Because he keeps missing me. Wow. But I'll tell you what, his aim is certainly getting better. So we should probably just move right on, okay? Yeah. But we're heading into the longest river in Africa. They call that the Nile River. You know why? Because it goes on for Niles and Niles. And I hate the joke, but they make me say it. Niles, yeah. Now, right around the corner, we got to be careful, okay? The current this time of year is awful. You know what that's called? A Yuletide. Yeah, not take it for granted. That's right. We like to call this our Jingle Bell Rock. Yeah, you know what I'm not getting for Christmas this year? Funnier. No. But as we head into the African note, there's a lot of really interesting animals, okay? For example, you're going to see the, scary reindeer. Real tall reindeer, small reindeer, striped reindeer, feathered reindeer, that's a rare one. Oh, and then you got that striped reindeer is actually showing us the oldest holiday trick in the book, and that is pretending to be asleep during Thanksgiving dinner so you don't have to talk to the weird relatives. If you didn't find that one funny, you're the weird relative. Hate to break it to you, but someone had to, okay? Oh, wow. I mean, listen, I'm never going to judge someone for how they decorate their tree, but I usually just drink popcorn. That seems a bit excessive, really. Looking like a true situation for H-R-I-N-O. I got no idea how to spell rhino. No, but you know what? I don't want to do the paperwork, so we're just going to move right on. Now, right around the corner, though, guys, we are going to be approaching a bit of a controversial opinion here at the Jingle Cruise. To the left-hand side, you guys are going to see Old Smiley. Yeah, Old Smiley, surprisingly, on the nice list this year. I have no idea how, but to the right-hand side, you're going to see Ginger, his wife. Now, here's the thing. Ginger's on the naughty list. You know why? Ginger snaps. Yeah. One tough cookie, if you ask me. Really crumbles under pressure, you know what I mean? But up ahead, my friend, you're going to see the beautiful Schweitzer Falls. Now, it used to be called Schweitzer Glacier, but it's been a warm winter. So we're getting as close as possible, my friend, so you can take it all in. Take it all in. Wow, yeah. And you know what? You realize that you just took in 700 different types of jungle bacteria. We'll be doing that in 48 hours, I promise, okay? So for the time being, let's just care about what's happening now, you know what I mean? Like, for example, this really good deal right over here. Now, I know holiday travel is a nightmare. Free cocktails, snacks, and I promise you, they're always going to be half off. Yeah, that's the one downside. Well, technically there's two downsides, but we don't have to get into that. No. Now we are apparently getting into a hippo pool. Okay, wow, that's not good. But don't worry, my friends. Please do not panic and do not freak out, okay? These hippos are actually just moving up and down, not because they're trying to attack us, but they got to regulate their body temperature. Yeah, the water's cold. They don't want to get no hypothermia. No, yeah. But as we... Oh, boy. All right, guys, I'm so sorry. We're approaching the worst part of the holiday season. Christmas carolers. Maybe they won't notice us. Oh, gosh, they're so off pitch. I'm so sorry. Yeah, wow. Anyone got any figgy pudding, y'all? They gotta go until they get some. Wow. Well, usually around this time of the journey, people ask me. They say, hey, Skipper Leanne, why do people wait an hour for this? Well, I'm here to tell you why, okay? Right around the corner, we're going to be approaching what we like to call the eighth wonder of the all-natural world. We call it that because, folks, you are never going to find this on a postcard, okay? So I'm going to need you guys to do me a favor and put your hands together as I present to you the amazing, incredible, the holly, the jolly, ladies and gentlemen, the backside of water! You know what? You don't see that every day. Unless you're me. I see it every 10 to 15 minutes. And honestly, at this point, in my nightmares. But that's a different story, okay? We're heading into the Mekong River, and honestly, it may cause me a bit nervous, okay? Up ahead, you're going to see a dark and a scary temple. Raise your hand if you don't want to go in. Okay, majority rule. Sorry, kid, we're going in. Well, if that's the case, keep your eyes open as we enter, okay? Because I promise you, I'm closing mine for a bit.
If you enjoyed this video, please remember, give it a thumbs up, and we're publishing one new video every day until Christmas Day. Christmas time at Walt Disney World. So subscribe to our channel. Thanks.
Amazing pool. You guys can take as many photos as you want, okay? I promise you they actually are decent today. They surprisingly have their trunks on. Yeah. But I'll tell you what, there's a really nasty cold going around the jungle, so a lot of people think it is water coming out of these guys' trunks, but I promise y'all, it's not. Yeah, it's not water. But, you know what, right over here you're going to see my good friend Bertha. Now here's the thing, I love Bertha, and every single year we love to shower her with gifts. But honestly, this year she was starting to smell real bad, so we gave her the gift of showering. Yeah, not me though. Personally, I would never do that. Take a shower? No. You know what happens when you take a shower? Your skin gets all wrinkly and you turn into an elephant. Yeah, and then you need a pachydermatologist. And I can only afford one, so, yeah. But guys, I'll tell you what. We are going to be approaching the scariest part of your journey, which is the return to wait times. That's correct. Yeah, I'm so sorry. Wish I could help you guys out. But you know what? You can help me out, okay? Make sure you tell your friends, your family, your loved ones, your exes, everybody in between. Let them know how much fun you had here at the Jingle Cruise. Because it will keep our wait times down low tomorrow. And I appreciate that, okay? If you had a wonderful time, the name was the brave and the beautiful Skipper Leanne, and it was a pleasure. If you had a horrible time, I don't quite care. I get paid anyways. Yeah. But guys, we are going to be approaching that dock. So with that being said, my friends, going to talk about it with some safety, okay? Now, I know it's really boring, but we got to do it. That's correct, okay? So for the onboarding process, my friends over here on this side, don't go out that way. You laugh, but I've seen things. You don't want to touch that water. Yeah, you'll get a really weird rash if you do. Yeah, you want to make sure you're going out the same way you came in. It's been 10 minutes. I promise you I did not change the doors, okay? Also, don't go out any windows. Kids, it's a real pain. Shattering experience. Also, you want to wait till you're 16 and there's a really cool party down the street. Then you're going to do that. Parents, I'm joking. Kids, I'm not. No. Also, make sure you guys don't cross over anything in the middle. Crossing over, or Haunted Mansion style. Yeah. And Halloween was so last month, you know what I mean? Yeah. Also, if you cross over, it's not a jungle gym, it's Jungle Cruise. Because then if you fall, get a jungle bruise. But Jungle Cruise, more like Jungle Snooze, am I right? Up top. Don't agree with that. I tried really hard for you.
Nancy and I hope you enjoyed this video. Here are 2 more videos of our travel adventures to watch. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And lastly, my email is in the description below. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.